Let's meet 25 amazing snakes from around the world, each one with something special to show. Look kids, it's a snake.
Yay!
It has no legs, but it can slither easily across the ground. Now, meet the cobra, kids.
Yay!
When it feels threatened, it spreads its neck into a big hood. Next up, the python.
Yay!
It's huge and wraps around its prey to catch it. Here comes the boa.
Yay!
It's a calm snake that squeezes its prey without using any venom. Look kids, this is a viper.
Yay!
It has sharp fangs and is very venomous. Best to watch from a distance. Let's see the rattlesnake now.
Yay!
It makes a rattling sound with its tail to warn others when danger is near. Here comes the anaconda.
Yay!
It's one of the heaviest snakes in the world and loves living in water. Now, it's the garter snake's turn.
Yay!
It's small, colorful, and completely harmless. Meet the corn snake.
Yay!
It's beautifully colored and often kept as a pet. Have you ever seen a king snake?
Yay!
It's brave. It can even eat venomous snakes like cobras. Look kids, it's the green tree python.
Yay!
It wraps itself around tree branches and looks just like leaves. Next is the ball python.
Yay!
When it's scared, it curls itself up into a ball. That's why it's called the ball python. Now, meet the rosy boa.
Yay!
It has soft pinkish stripes and a very gentle nature. Here comes the milk snake.
Yay!
It's colorful, but don't worry, it's not venomous at all. Now, it's time for the black mamba.
Yay!
It's fast and super quick, a silent hunter of the wild. Up next, the coral snake.
Yay!
It has red, yellow, and black stripes, beautiful to look at but venomous. This is the eastern hognose.
Yay!
It's a funny snake. It puffs up or pretends to be dead when scared. Now, meet the bush viper.
Yay!
It has colorful, spiky scales like a flower sitting on a tree branch. Next comes the sea snake.
Yay!
It swims in the ocean and is great at catching fish underwater. Here is the brown snake, kids.
Yay!
It's small, plain colored, and so quiet that most people don't even notice it. Let's see the tree snake now.
Yay!
It's long, thin, and climbs trees easily. Come on, kids, meet the rat snake.
Yay!
It's a farmer's friend. It eats rats and protects the crops. Look, kids, this is the sand boa.
Yay!
It's short, chubby, and loves to hide in the sand. Now meet the eyelash viper.
Yay!
It has little scale lashes above its eyes like it's wearing eyelashes. And finally, kids, the rainbow boa.
Yay!
When sunlight hits its body, it shines with rainbow colors. Wow, we learned about so many unique snakes, from the slithery to the sneaky. Which one was your favorite?